Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your credit card onto your YNAB budget application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YNAB application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account using your credentials if you haven't done so already. After you log in, you will be taken into your current month's budget plan. Now, if you wish to add your credit card, you will find this section automatically underneath the Needs section, where you will see the annual credit card fees. You can either enter your amount for your credit card manually, or you can also tap on the Add Balance option to add your account balance. Now, you will have two options. If your bank account is within the linked section, when you check within, then you can directly choose your bank or search for your financial institution. Otherwise, you can tap on the Unlinked option. After entering a title for your credit card, you can choose the account type. From here, you can choose your credit card option and then enter your current account balance. You can then click on the next button and your credit card account has been added right away. You can tap on the Done button and this credit card has now been added to your account right away. Now, from the Add Account section, if you link your credit card with the linked option, then it will connect to your bank automatically and update the due amount within your added section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your credit card on the YNAB application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.